Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you as a beginner can make money on Pi Crypto Airdrop. How beginners can make money on Pi Crypto Airdrop is what I am teaching you in this video. Currently, people are rushing to buy Pi at 1,000 Naira in Nigeria. Just one Pi they are buying at 1,000 Naira. And Pi is yet to list. So this is the pre-market value of Pi. One Pi is 1,000 Naira as of today. A friend of mine that has numerous Pis going to 300 Pi told me today that he is not going to sell his own Pi even for 2,000 Naira. The reason is because there is a projection that when Pi lists on the 31st of December 2024, it is going to sell massively. The listing will be massive. Now, when you join Pi today, you are going to be given a welcome bonus of 1 Pi. Every 5 days, you are going to get another 1 Pi. If you do not invite anybody, all you need to do is that every 24 hours, go and click mine, and then it is going to continue to mine and produce Pi for you in 5 days. Now, if you go ahead and invite one person, 2 people, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you motivate them to all be active, you are going to be making Pi more than 1 Pi in 1 day. So this is what I am introducing to you. Pi Network is a cryptocurrency that offers beginners the opportunity to earn Pi coins through its unique mining process, even without any technical experience. For those new to Pi, the airdrop feature allows users to accumulate Pi coins for free simply by participating in the network. In this video, I give you a straightforward guide on how beginners can make money through Pi Crypto Airdrops. Number one thing you need to do is to download the Pi Network app. To get started, download the official Pi Network app from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Now, please, in the description section of this video, you are going to see my link and my referral code. When you go on, it's going to be asked for the referral code of the person that referred you. Use my referral code, which I will leave in the description section of this video. And for the purpose of emphasis, the referral code is 1 Daffody. 1 as in 1, figure 1. The Daffody is capital D, small a, small f, small I, small d, and small I. That is the referral code. So after downloading, the next thing you need to do is you are going to be able to mine Pi coins directly from your phone. Now, the next thing you need to do is to start mining. After you have downloaded and you have set up properly, you need to start mining. Once your account is created, you can begin mining Pi by clicking the lightning button in the app. Mining Pi doesn't require any special equipment, just your smartphone. You earn Pi coins for every mining session, which runs for 24 hours at a time. Be sure to check in daily to continue earning. So when you click mine, you leave the app, and then you come back after 24 hours to click mine again. After you have started mining, the next thing you need to do is to increase your earnings. To maximize earnings, refer others to join the Pi network. You get a referral bonus each time someone uses your referral code and starts mining. Engaging in the Pi community and joining Pi groups or Pi chats within the app also gives you insights into how to earn more and be a part of the network's growth. Now, I have created a WhatsApp group basically for crypto airdrop projects, and this Pi is one of them. In fact, I have been doing crypto airdrop for some time, for the past 2 months, but because of this Pi, I'm creating a WhatsApp group for crypto airdrop projects, such that in the group I'm going to be explaining more to you in the group, telling you when to take action and what to do as time goes on. So if you leave your phone number in the descriptions in the comment section, I am going to contact you. I'm going to add you to the group that I've created for crypto airdrops, and to motivate and to stimulate our activity. I'm going to add you to that group, and then we can get going. After you have increased your earnings through referrals, then you have to wait for Pi value to rise. So currently, as I said, Pi value is 1,000 naira to 1 Pi. That is how much people are buying it. But there are people who said even at 2,000 naira, they will not sell their Pi. Pi is going to list on the 31st of December 2024, and the listing price is very much in excess of 1,000 as postulated. So the next thing you need to do after you wait for the Pi to rise is to monetize your coin. So you need to sell your coin to get paid, to get money in your pocket, to spend, to take to the market and buy whatever you want to buy. So for beginners looking to break into the cryptocurrency world, Pi offers a user-friendly way to start earning digital currency without any upfront investment. By being an active participant in the Pi network, mining daily and referring others, that is all you need to do. You mine and you refer others. You can steadily increase your Pi holdings, which may hold significant value in the future. So in the present, Pi holds significant value. In the future also, it has the potential for significant value. I'm going to leave the link for you to join Pi in the description section of this video. And then the referral code you're going to use is 1DAFIDI. 1 as in 1, figure 1. Then together, capital D, small a, small f, small I, small d, and small I. That is the referral code you're going to use. So once you use the referral code, drop your phone number in the comment section and said, I have used the referral code, add me to the crypto airdrop update WhatsApp group, and I'm going to add you immediately, and then we shall be enjoying the updates together. I will talk to you in the next one. See you soon.